when I go back home to Taupo. The beauty and the magnificence of it, that feeling I think everyone gets of the awe and the mana, there's a special connection. It feels like we're at the top of a very important eco chain. The water off of our maunga feeds our tributaries, which feeds our rivers and ultimately our lake.
I was a big part of our identity. Our awa, along with our maunga, along with our ngafa and our wairiki, which are our hot pools, they're a big part of who we are.
Now, we live in a beautiful spot in New Zealand, so it's our responsibility, and councils, just ensure that we look after the space that we love and live and call home.
No way, what are the free waters? Good question.
At Taupo District Council, we ensure that when you go to the tap and have a glass of water, that it is clean and complies with all the drinking water regulations. Wastewater. This is the type of water that goes down the sink, that goes down the toilet when you flush it.
Interesting, but disgusting.
And the other type of water is stormwater. This is the one that really occurs when it's raining. Anything that goes down into our stormwater network ultimately ends up in our lake or our waterways.
We started just diving a lot together, and as we were diving we were just gathering more and more rubbish, and that just suddenly our task. Knowing that we are looking after the environment, doing something that not many other people can.
That's the beauty of being able to have a clean awa.
And we can all help protect it, because looking after our water helps keep Taupo awesome!
And when you see all the native wildlife, you know that it's generally a fairly healthy environment.
We also look to the future, so we make sure that we're able to cater for those changes in population. So we're really looking ahead at our renewals programs on when those pipes and assets need to be replaced.
And for us as a people, we want to make sure that my great-great-great-great-grandchildren are going to be able to still have a connection with Te Awa Waikato.
That whole environmental awareness thing for my kids, and so we just love spending time with the water, with the lake.
And just reminding ourselves how lucky we are to have this and how important it is to maintain this.
It was here way before we ever arrived and we want to continue to ensure that it remains here.